Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday, November 5th. It is a big day in the markets and just in the world in general. Guys, it is election day. We will find out, well, at least probably in a week or so, once all the votes are counted, who our next president is going to be. Now, you guys, I will never get into politics here on this channel or in our Discord at all. I just want to keep it very clean from that. But with that said, guys, there can be a lot of volatility. You know, when things like this, when I call like the fundamental side of trading takes over the technical side of trading, we have to just be really good with our risk management. And right now, with the markets being so volatile, this is here on the 2 minute time frame because when I'm on here right now, this is populated over here. You guys see how this is 40, 60, 80, 20, and then 20, 40, 60. These candles are engulfing 20 points. So I want to be trading on the 2 minute time frame. It's saying that there's enough range to be able to move that. Now on the 2 minute time frame, if our candles in general are moving 20 points, if we take that full value and we put it in half, basically we're going for 10 points on the 2 minute time frame, giving ourselves the best risk to reward. You want to set this to 40. So 40 ticks is going to be 10 points. Now I had this question yesterday. He's like, Justin, one, how do you set up your screen? Guys, this is actually two different screens. One here is TradingView as a browser, and another one here is actually just Tradeovate that I minimize and then bring over to the right hand side. And also on here, I'll go ahead and show you guys my ATM strategy. If you go to the bottom of the DOM on Tradeovate, I just have this over here. As long as this setting, guys take a look, as long as this 40 here on TradingView, since we're on the 2 minute time frame, going for 10 points is 40, as long as that's set at 40, this is exactly the same. So essentially, the moment I get a buy signal, I'm entering right at the candle close to feel as close to that dot as possible. When I see price action cross above this, that is when, since these are both set to 40, this is when it'll close out my trade over here, take profit, and just be done for the day. So that's as simple as I'm doing it using both TradingView and Tradeovate. Now, guys, I use Take Profit Trader as my funded prop firm accounts. Guys, they aren't going to have this deal on much longer. If you guys are looking into a prop firm account, I'll leave the description or the link in my description below here. It's 40% off all their accounts and you never pay an activation fee. You know, this was actually the deal that I signed up on when I passed my eval accounts and then went to pro. And it has been the best experience I've ever had. So if you guys are contemplating with it, definitely please send me emails and let me know. I had 3 one-on-one trainings yesterday that were just absolutely incredible. I just want to thank every one of those people for just believing in what this system is. And those people are making so much money. And some of them have been experienced a couple years and if a little bit longer in trading, some not so much and just kind of getting going. But it's so neat to see basically the fast track process. Guys, I've been doing this for about 15 years and really diving into developing these metrics in the past 3 years. I started with options trading and then went over futures trading. And I'm dedicated 100% on futures trading to teach every single one of you guys and as many people as possible exactly what I do each day in the market to be able to pull out gains. Now, guys, I'll show you this just for transparency here. If we go to actually a total custom range here, I started this challenge actually on October 14th, and we'll go to today. So far, I've taken 18 trades, 18 winning trades and 0 losses. Will I have a loss? I'm sure I'll have a loss. I'm not perfect at all. I'll never claim that. But you guys, this is my live pro account right here. So far up $5,800 since the 14th of October, 18 wins, 0 losses. If you guys would like a printout of this, I can absolutely give this to you. But the way I'm doing this is all I'm doing is using these metrics and following specific guidelines. Guys, if you haven't done so already, I really want to see if I can get into a trade over here to show you guys just good risk management and to capitalize on something. But I am very strict.